Okay, Tustin Unified, congratulations on making it to the end of the school year. Very unique circumstances this year, for sure. It is now time to do some maintenance in your learning management system in the classes that you have, PowerSchool Learning or Haiku, however you call it. So I'm going to walk you through a couple things that will help you close out the year when you are ready to. Okay? All right, the first thing I want to talk about is making this class inactive. If you make the class inactive, it is no longer visible to your students or to others who may have had access to this class. Okay? You do not have to do that right now. I would suggest you do it before the start of the school year next year, but if you want to leave your course or class open for your students during the summertime, you're more than welcome to do so. No changes will be made until the beginning of the school year next year. Okay? All right, so that's make inactive. Now, what you will want to do at some point, and you can do this now, is save class as. And what you do when you do this is you create a class and share its content, or make a copy of the content and make it ready for next year. So you're going to call this a new class. You're going to copy all page content, and then you get to select which content you want to copy. I think it's just easy to select all, so that means everything that you've done, assessments, assignments, announcements, again, all the modules that you've put on here will all be copied and sent over to the new course. Okay, and then also there's an option down here to use existing Google Drive files, and I would suggest that you choose that one rather than make a new copy. Now when you're going in here, the next step, you want to make sure that you name the class properly, as well as add a year so that you know and the students know, and anyone else who is part of the class knows what year and what course this is. It's for what year, okay? That will show up in your URL as well. Make sure you select the correct organization, whether you're at a specific school or the district level. And always choose the most current year, okay? Update your year as much as possible. 2021 is not there yet, but it will be when we start school, so you can come back and update that. Go back down here and click Save, and when you do, you'll get a new class, a fresh page, and you'll notice a message at the top saying copying class content from the previous course or class. And then when I refresh this page, stuff will begin to appear. And then I want to show one last thing, is that notice that it is not active yet. I will need to make it active sometime in the fall, so that my students can then see the content that I want them to see. Okay, and they can be participants in the class. So that is how you close out your class year and create a class for the next year. Okay, good luck.